one. What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Sera.
It's your boy Tuxx.
And today is a Saturday and we're out and about hunting for seafood. Honey, this place should have the shops, don't you reckon? What's this place called? Brimbank. Also no? You've been here? Yeah. With who? Thought you came here with your other girlfriend. Sky woke up at 7. I woke up at 11:30 because I went to sleep at 5 in the morning. I couldn't go to sleep. I don't know what it was. But yeah. So last night we played a game with the TNS family on Instagram and we gave away $50. I know it's not much from my sponsor, Tuxx. Thanks, honey. So we played a game and it was just a quiz about either the Bible or general knowledge or do you remember who was on our vlog recently, the kids, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, so shout out to Pops88. He was the one that won on who won the game. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk. Anyways, he was the one that won the game. And yeah, I was just really happy of how many people were participating, and yeah, we just got to bring joy to them for like a little bit, which was cool. Guys, if you haven't added us on Instagram, make sure you go and check out our Instagram, Tuxx_Sera, and chuck us a follow.
Okay fam, so we weren't too sure on where to go to get the seafood, but the last time we done our seafood mukbang, we came to St. Albans and they got like a long street of different stores. So there's a few seafood stores there, but we're a bit wary because of what's happening these days. We're definitely gonna keep our 1.5 meter distance from everyone,
and we're not going to touch unnecessary things, eh baby?
Yeah, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we're able to find our food there or our stuff there. If not, then we're gonna have to try and mission somewhere else.
The beard is so orange. Look at that, guys. And it's got like little bits of blonde, like especially there is blondish, the root. And his hair as well is really like tangy orange. I love it. Can we just like, I hope our kids get blonde hair, because he was a blondie when he was little.
Oh, like light pretty light brown.
Light brown.
Then when you're in the sun, it's like
blonde.
Blonde, yeah.
Yeah. Wait, so was your hair like light brown then in the sun blonde?
Yeah, sort of thing. But not like full on blonde. But yeah, it was pretty light. It was strange. Very strange.
No, it's not strange. You were blessed. You were a child of God. Okay, Tuxx is illegal parking right now. Oh, it's like raining. Okay, I'm just checking if there's any prawn. Oh, there's crab. I'm gonna vlog until I get in trouble. They're called prawns though. Okay fam, so Tuxx just left. I did find prawns here. They don't have many crabs, and they don't have lobster, and they don't, well, they have crab, but I don't think I can cook that crab. I don't know. I kind of want to cook. It's actually Tuxx is gonna cook it. They do have prawns. I want to see if my husband thinks it's cheap. It's $20 a kilo or $27 a kilo. But I think I want the Australian. I want the Australian prawns, not the Thailand or whatever prawns. But yeah, I'm just waiting for Tuxx. It's so cold, guys. Look at this. It's raining on me. Just going to get this. Okay, we just got back to the car. Kind of threw a little sook because I didn't realize that Tuxx was actually gonna park and jump out and stuff. Oh, my feet are so cold. Don't add the car where it's dirty, but yeah. As you can see, it's still raining from Tuxx's clothes. Okay, they only had prawns. They had like crab, but it was like, I don't know. I don't think it's the crab that we want. This will be such a fail if we don't find any seafood. I'm sorry, baby. Bye-bye. Auntie can't come in. We can't come inside. We have to keep our distance. Come here. Here. Look how dirty the window is. Bye. Bye-bye now. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Auntie misses you. Kissy. 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 Love you, Day Day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. So we came to pick up my sister Chris. She's coming over. Even though she's not allowed to, but she's forcing herself to come over. I'm not allowed to go inside because I don't. Tuxx is the only one. Oh, okay, I better go because she's gonna cry more. Okay, love you, baby. Bye-bye. Okay, so the reason why I stood at the door was because no one in my family has ever been in contact with like outside. Like they've not gone outdoors since last week Sunday. Am I right, Chris? Yeah, so they haven't left the house since last week Sunday, and the only person that in our family that have left the house and has physical contact with like other people is Tuxx. So Tuxx is the only one that is working. My brother is not working. He's out of work as well, and yeah, I just didn't want to go inside in case I take something inside and the kids and my parents could get sick. Even though this little girl wants to come over during stage 3. We'll just have to scrub her down, and I'm gonna once she goes back home, she'll isolate herself in her room. Don't be like Chris. He's a guy. She is a guy. Hey, honey. She's a guy. Senor Taha.
KRISTINE shopping centre. And the main casino is right over here.
Make sure you come and check out Fish Pier. They've got awesome seafood here, and they I almost burped. Their cleanliness is on point. So we got home maybe like 20 minutes ago. Chris and I went down to the shop because she wanted potato cakes. This is her. And yeah, she didn't get a potato cake. Oh no, she got 2 potato cakes.
You got some too.
And I did too. You got me. I can't wait to have this food. I can't wait to try this food that Tuxx is making. She can't do the leg thingy. Yeah, nah. Some random guy stopped. Maybe 12. 12 fish fries? 4 scallops. You want a scallop? No. What? Wow, that looks so good. Shot, baby. That crab dog. Okay, TNS family, we are going to end this vlog. If you want to see this seafood mukbang boil, make sure you stay tuned for our next video. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.
So yeah fam, so just a quick shout out to Broadmeadows.
Fresh Pier. Yeah.
Alright family, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.
We love you TNS family. Bye.